Yo dudes! Welcome to the Happy Pear Show. Starring David Flynn, Stephen Flynn. We are all about making healthy vegan food that tastes fantastic. Today we're going to be making for you American-style blueberry pancakes. This is taking a traditional American, smaller, higher pancake, packing it full of blueberries, drizzling it full of maple syrup, and we're making these healthier. Okay, so first step we're going to use a wholemeal flour. We're going to use wholemeal spelt flour. If you want to use white flour, that's fine. Wholemeal works perfect, and it is higher in fiber, so just a bit better for you. So I've got a mug. I'm going to use a standard mug. It's a 12-ounce mug. That approximates about 200 grams of flour. Okay, I'm going to use the equal part milk to flour, so I'm going to use 1 mug of milk of choice. I'm using rice milk because I found it in the fridge, but oat milk, almond milk, whatever you're into. I've got 3 tablespoons of ground flaxseed. Stephen, could I use chia seed if I couldn't?
Absolutely, and if you couldn't find either of them, use half a banana. Rising agent, we're going to use baking powder. Simply requires heat and moisture. I have 1 teaspoon.
No, 2 teaspoons.
Oh, 2. Oh, so we're going. These are a little fluffier. So we're going with 2 teaspoons of baking powder.
We're going in with 3 tablespoons of almond butter. I'm not going to have them heat because I want to give this. If they're too heavy, they don't rise that well.
So the almond butter is just going to add more richness to the pancakes and just make them a little bit more satisfying and delicious.
In terms of sweet, I've got 3 tablespoons of maple syrup.
Nice.
Thank you. Yeah, I do like it.
I like it too. Last and final ingredient: vanilla extract. We have 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. 1 generous.
I know Stephen said last and final, but that was his last and final. My last and final is ein pinch of salt.
Ein pinch.
Ein pinch of salt, yes. Because their pancakes come from Ein country.
Lid on.
So once your pan's hot, just turn the heat down. I prefer mediums better. If it's too hot, they just burn too quickly on the bottom. I'm gonna put in a drop of oil. And I'm gonna get a little bit of kitchen roll and just dry it, the vast majority of oil. Okay, so dusting of oil. This is a very important bit. So we're gonna keep these a small amount of batter just in the middle of the pan, something like that.
And now, the most important part. These are blueberry pancakes, and rather than adding them into the batter, we're gonna add them in now. And just
if you add them to the batter, they end up becoming part of it. The batter becomes a bit purple, and you don't really get the taste of blueberry. So we found it's much better just to add them as it's cooking like this.
Really good to get a silicone.
So Steve, how do you know when the pancake's ready to turn?
Just make sure to wait until there's the little bubbles. The bubbles will start to form around the outside and they'll start to dry in the middle. You see right now Dave's been a little premature because the middle isn't quite dry. Oh, good job.
Thanks.
Here we are. Oh, nice. A few of them did pop. Oh, look, lovely.
Happy enough with that?
That's delicious, Dave. Good work, lads. Great job.
So there you have it, blueberry American style pancakes.
It's a big moment. Here we go. There you go, we can. And look, you get that lovely little blueberry pocket of just looks so lovely.
It looks like Smurf food.
That's what I was about to say, but I thought it might sound weird. Really tasty. Like you just got this like pop of this fruity juiciness.
My kids are gonna love these. I'm gonna make these for my girls. They'll be chuffed with these.
Delicious, tasty, healthy, and absolutely magic to make.
I just want to say thank you, America, for your American-style blueberry pancakes. We just made it a little healthier.
We salute you. We salute you.
We're the Happy Pear. We'll have videos out on Tuesdays and Fridays. All vegan. We have tons of recipes on our channel. Do
please subscribe and sending loads of love. Tally ho.